So this is one of the best security system cameras I've ever seen. From its quality and simplicity to its full range of features and full range of view. With this triple lens hybrid tracking technology, it's got solar, a replaceable battery, and with all of the AI features, there's no monthly fees. This is Eufy's one and done security solution, the all new Yui Cam S4. And this isn't just another wireless camera. It's a completely new approach to outdoor security. It also solves that typical dilemma. Do I get a fixed camera with better resolution? Or do I get a PTZ camera for the coverage? And Yui just said, why not have both?
MrBlack.
And hey, welcome to the channel. If you like gadgets, gear, and accessories, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Don't be a stranger. And also hit that like button, and I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, Yui did send this to me and they're sponsoring this video. And to be fair, I get security camera requests a lot on this channel. And typically I say no, but the last Yui security cameras that I shared on this channel, I still use all the time. They're incredibly reliable, super simple to set up, and have a crystal clear 4K image. And so I really wanted to see their new flagship camera and see what it could do. The unboxing is simple. You have your solar panel, you have the S4 camera, a quick start guide, some extension plugs for installing the solar panel at a distance, a very simple wall mount, all the screws. Now, if we take a closer look at the S4 camera, this is their tri-cam tech. You get 3 cameras in one. You have a 4K wide angle lens. This provides the main high resolution overview of your space. Then you have a dedicated zoom lens. This is a camera that can pan, tilt, and zoom and follow subjects in crisp detail. And then you have a separate tracking lens, and this works with local AI to quickly detect and lock onto a subject. Then it feeds the data to the zoom lens for seamless movement. This thing will identify people, cars, pets, and the PTZ functionality is used to automatically follow them. If the subject walks out of the initial wide angle view, the dedicated lens seamlessly picks them up and continues the chase. And this is the hybrid surveillance that Yui is talking about. It tracks faster because it's always watching, and it zooms smarter because of the 4K overview lens, and it never loses sight of the full picture. And you gotta love that the S4 is completely wireless and definitely features that integrated solar panel. Like I said, you can mount it on the top, or you can mount it further away and use that extension cable and just keep this thing powered up. Plus the battery itself is completely removable and you can charge it that way. So you could just take the screw out, pull out the battery, and it's got USB-C to charge it right there. But it also future-proofs this thing, so in a couple of years, if the battery starts depleting, you could just change out the battery entirely. Now, in terms of image quality, we're looking at 4K resolution, which is fantastic for detail. You can clearly read license plates and see faces from a distance, which is crucial for evidence. You can set notifications, so if it detects somebody, it'll actually alert you on your phone. And it even recognizes faces. So you could store certain faces in your database and it knows like, hey, Danny Black has just walked through, or someone else. And if it's someone that it doesn't recognize, you can get an alert for that. The night vision on this thing is also a standout. With its built-in spotlights and strobes, you get clear, vivid color night vision, which is always more effective than the standard black and white. The spotlights not only capture detail, but also act as a strong deterrent, so it'll scare away any intruders. Plus, it has these red and blue lights that will flash, just giving that police is here vibe and will scare away any intruders. There is a built-in speaker on here and a microphone, so you can have a two-way conversation with whoever's there. And you can do this all simply from the app on your phone or even on your computer. Yui's app is really intelligent. It's really easy to set up. This whole thing you can get set up within minutes. You can set all of your notification settings, any motion settings. You can move the camera around yourself. You could set different spots to check, and you can see all of those recordings because it does have 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, which is amazing. You can also put in a micro SD card and have more local storage. Or you can use their home base if you have multiple cameras and you want to kind of network them together. But having that all locally just makes your footage more private, secure, and also it doesn't cost you anything extra per month. So there you have it. That is the Yui S4, a powerful high-end security solution. It covers a lot of ground, day or night, crisp detail, and is very reliable and just earns that spot at the top of the Yui lineup for security cameras. So do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency. And thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to see the other Yui cameras that I did last time, you can check that video out right there. These things are also amazing, but I mean, this thing is like an all-in-one solution. But yeah, check out that video right there or any of the other videos that are on the screen. And I'll see you next time.